Hi there everyone. Welcome to the video lecture series on double integration. I'm Mayur Gohil. Here I give you certain practice questions for your practice on double integration, as we have completed the part of double integration involving Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so xy coordinate, xy plane, wherever is concerned, we are completely done. We have understood the concepts, how they work over here. We have seen the word problems, we have seen the concepts related to change of order and order of the integration, sketching the region and solving for the double integral and formulating it. So we have seen all that. So here are the first three questions are related to the word problems. I request you to go through the video lecture and solve them carefully. I'm very sure if you understand the concepts clearly, you will get the correct answer. Okay, and the fourth question involves six sub questions related to change of order of integration and evaluating them. So I request you to do them on your own with the guidance of the video lectures that have been provided to you in this series. Okay, if any difficulty, please comment in the comment section. I hope you like these examples and they will help you to develop an intuitive power of understanding the double integral. And so please hit like button, share it with your friends and solve these questions along with your friends and those who know double integration. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell button if you liked the content. Thank you.